We'll guide you through how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've been on a holiday or you've been to an event, and so you want to go and put multiple photos into one Instagram story. Of course, it can be something else, it doesn't matter. Perhaps you want to make a collage with it, or you just want to go and sort of freestyle, go and add them in. We're going to guide you through this. It's going to be much easier, and basically to do this, follow along, you need to go and have the photos already in your camera or gallery. So if you're yet to, come out of Instagram, open up the camera, and you can go and take them. I'll just go and take a few like this. There we go. So now what we can do is come and return to Instagram. Then what you can do is go to the bottom right to come to your profile page, and you want to go to the top left. There you can go and press the plus like so, and you want to then go and press on story. So for the first way, you can go and press the camera icon like so. What we're going to do is make a collage. So you want to go over to the left, press the arrow down if needed, and press the layout option. Now what you can do is go and press change grid, go and choose the layout of the collage you want to make. You can take the photo here or open up your camera roll and you can go and select them, as you can see, and you can then go and repeat that for the others. So I can quickly go and select them like so. And then for the final one, there we go. You can see it there and press the tick and you can start editing it. Alternatively though, what you can do is if I go and come out of here, come back to the plus in the top left and you can go and press story again. You want to go and press the camera icon like so. Then you can go over to the left and you can go and press create. In the bottom right, you can flick through here and go and choose a color. There's different effects here. If you find a solid color you don't like, then what you can do is you can just go and take it with a white one, for example, press those two A's in the middle at the bottom. Then you can go to the right, press the arrow pointing down, and you want to go and find the draw button. Then at the bottom, choose the color you want and tap and hold the screen. It'll then go and be set. Press done in the top right, go to the right and press the sticker button below text, and then you can press photo. Choose one of the photos you want to add. There it is. Tap on it and you can go and change how it goes and looks, as you can see. Then you can press done. You can pinch and hold on it and adjust it to where you want it to be. Then you can go and press the sticker button again in the top right, and your camera roll opens up again, and you can then go and choose another one you want. So I could add this one here, for example. Then once again, you can tap on it to go and change it. I'm not going to. And then you can position it to your liking, pinch, hold, and drag. And then once you're happy with this, you can go and add more things like text, music, and more to the right. And then you can press your story in the bottom left. And it's going to go and be posted, as you can see.